Hello, so I received this today, right hand Joy-Con. The owner told me the Joy-Con doesn't respond correctly. Let's see what he wrote. Yeah, doesn't respond correctly. Physically, the Joy-Con looks good. Very clean. All button responding. Yeah. So nothing suspicious there. Everything responds except for this one. Anyway, like this one we cannot test using the light. Right. Okay. Now I'm going to try to attach this Joy-Con to see what's the problem. We're going to test everything. Right. It's very hard to do one-handed. Okay, it's attached. The railing is good. Now we go controller and sensor. Test input device. Test controller button. Okay, everything looks good. Good. Yeah, this one is still having problem. Go back. Yeah, I think I see what's the problem. Okay. Up, down is okay. Left, right is not. Right, so we're going to open this up and then we're going to change the joystick. Okay, so my joystick pack only need one. This will be the new one. Right. Okay, so we're going to open this using the tri-wing. Okay. Okay, take one prying tool. Right, just pry here a little bit, pry here a little bit, pry all the way. Okay, that's done. Open, and you'll see this plastic prying tool. Go underneath the battery, lift it up, lift all the way. Right. Oh, this sticker, the glue sticker is so strong. Take a normal Phillips screwdriver, 1, 2, 3 screws. Open this up. Okay, lift this. Then we have access to the board here. Right, put the screw aside. Okay, you know what, remove the battery as well, just in case. There you go. Take one tweezer. Yeah, so this is the faulty joystick. This is the connector here. Yeah, lift this, pull this out. That's it. Open this too. Okay, this screw, and the screw that is supposed to be 1, 2, 3 here is exactly the same screw, so you won't get confused later on. It's okay to pile them up. Okay, from front you can push this in. That's it. Okay, and then reseat the plastic protector again. Right, take the new one. This is the old one with the blue ribbon connector. Okay, there's no click. This is the new one with the green. Yeah, with click. Put it in. You can either connect that first or you can screw first. I usually screw first because I don't want to let it move around while I'm doing the connection. Okay, just hand tight. You need to force the screw because the build is plastic. It prone to break. There you go. Take the tweezer again. Just guide the connector into the slot, just like so. Okay, then push the lock. That's it. And then you put this back. Make sure this doesn't end up under the battery holder, just like that. Take the three golden screw again, put it in and screw. Okay. Okay, and one more, just like that. Right, then take the battery. Okay, use plastic pick to push the connection in. Make sure it clicks like that. Okay, doesn't move. Put it back in. You can test this if the battery is actually connected or not, just to see if this light turns on when you click any button. So the battery is connected properly. Route this cable here into the groove, just like that. This is behind like this to the groove like this, just like that. Yeah, then put this back in. Right, that's it. And screw. It's very easy. The only thing that you need is tools. I mean, proper tools should be fine. I saw so many that forces this driving screw with normal Philip. It opens sometimes, but some other times I saw like a lot of rounded screws. The only thing is some people, some other technicians, they like to do half-heartedly, so they just put in whatever screw that they can find, not going to the same screw hole, not going to the same screw origin. And we'll continue with the test. Now we do wirelessly, so at least you know it connects wirelessly, right? Just to see this is actually the, yeah, so we can go to, it's already working perfect. This is it, red Joycon. Right, you can go back to the controller and sensor, calibrate control stick. Well, this doesn't need to be, but let's calibrate anyways, because sometimes it doesn't end up in the center, but this one is working perfect. Oh, but got some arch. You know what, I will calibrate regardless. Okay, down, left, and up. Turn around. That's it. Now it's good. Go straight, yeah. Go straight, yeah. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.